inform you. The day we identify those spots, we now begin to the land price. So that take another day more, where the grade will come and do the final touching. Then they come back to the same. After that, we now go for then we do the final construction another day. Then watch and see how we can manage it. But it's like at the time we are where we need to supply. After trying to bridge, yes already has stone already. So we need good land right now. Yeah, we'll be collaborating. The collaboration with all private motor parks and National Union of Road Transport Workers with and tipper garage. Yes. Heavy duty.
We extending to other stakeholders.
Yes.
Like the trader association, rice mill owners, the filling station owners.
The grader has arrived and the roller.
The roller is on its way.
The roller is on its way. Before the end of today, we are going to see the roller. And we are appealing to all many stakeholders in the society. If they have any contribution in form of material, yes, or even if it's the resources, we need to do this thing together. It's something that it's not a one-man job. We all know it's a federal road. It's not our business, but our people are suffering. We need to leverage the level of suffering. That is why we are coming to do this. So we are still appealing to all the general public while they are everyone is willing to, any interested party, can communicate through the committee, whereby you see the committee chairman, member, secretary, so that they can operate more. Donations will be made to local government account, which is overseeing the entire event.
So where is this? Where are they starting this from, sir? And where is it going to stop?
From Zenith Bank. We are taking it from Total down to the that INEC Bank there, where we have a major alley. Let's see how we can push it. Federal government project no way about and we're moving now. Now I call Oduna Baba now Oduna private motor park, LG park. Then Oduna spend our park. So one from Oduna and go to committee then we will one on 2000. That's a foundation package equipment like why. How can you do your roll our pop the contractor? We bought it at that one. Go now. Committee members. Sorry, please. Chips market.
I invested so much in other places in Lagos, Abuja, and the rest of places. But at the point I was even scared. It got to a level that they had to make me wakil in Kasan Jiwa. That is the chief builder of Jiwa Kingdom. And Jiwa Kingdom is comprised of Ama, Kira councils, and the rest. So I was not like, they are giving me a title in this place. What about my place? So that was how I came, put up that investment. If I still land around those places, I put up those investments. And you can see what I'm doing in GRA now. I'm doing that thing for our people to know that, okay, if you come home, you have a place to stay. We're also planning to do like a luxury apartment, like two bedroom apartment around that same place. We got some land already to do that. So I have investment here. So I have to invest in this land. We have to make this place work. We have no any other place. You understand? If we get old and we done our ancestors, it is this same land to come and bury us. So this is our home. We have nowhere to go than this place. So everybody should join hand with us. Let us fix our own place. Abuja is not our place. Abuja is just our place of business. And in Abuja, I've done roads, kilometers of roads, street lights, a lot of things. Okay, look at this light that I fixed on the road here. Yes, my heart breaks when I see people stealing the light, taking the light off, taking the light to their houses. We didn't do it for anything. At least with this light now, our dear Honorable Lady Blessed Nonu, she also brought light to support it. Because there was this light, other lights start coming. Another light will still come from other avenue. If any of you decide to bring 50, 10, 100, it's still support of what we are still doing. So that's all we are all brothers and sisters. Yes.
Contributed 50,000 just now.
Tell her that she should join this, she should be part of this team. We are with her. She's the only candidate we have now. I know no candidate more than her. Both spiritually, physically, and otherwise, all my support is with her. That's why I don't see her. And I pray for her every day to succeed because I know the load is much on her. She cannot touch everywhere. I understand. You understand? So this is what we can contribute. So any which way she can come in, let her come in and also support what we are doing. We are together. So let's make out of this.
From a cheaper garage. These are members. These you are the keeper. Is that not all right? The keeper is here. All private motor parts.
And NRTW.
One big partner for this. At the same time, start to support them. Voluntarily giving us every take us just up to 14 days. So we continue on the program, taking care of the program. The government was here with us. The same spirit. The government has started work. So after the bringing down to INEC office, we are going to identify where we need laterite and the volume of laterite. Then we'll now do the brick, then do the laterite work, then bring back the grader and the partition of water. That's what we now need water.
I'm going to go there, stand.
That's great.
I don't want to see. I'm not interested but my brother here is a politician, and God has given him this seat where he is today. So all we should do with our resources and logistics is to support him to be able to succeed.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. And I can see some guys around this place, even the public and everybody, they've been working with all the past chairmen and the rest. And I think with all these people, we should work closely with them. I think we'll be able to achieve a lot of things. You understand? Give them listening ears. You guys listen to yourselves and make sure you put everything together. This position has come to ASA. ASA is going to prove a point. ASA is going to make a mark.
Amen.
And that mark, all of us are going to be beneficiaries of it. So now, data has arrived. Bola is on the way because they cannot carry two equipment at the same time. If we want backhoe, if we want any other equipment, we can still bring. Now, I was telling Levi before that I wanted to, because this holiday period, I can also take the tippers, but the tippers will come down and bring backhoe, then anywhere the last time they said you guys are going to do the last time, which is also going to be a very good idea. I think as we are doing this thing, we should bring the laterite immediately so that they can pour water, compact. Let's make it motorable. The government of today, the government of Ahmed Bola Tinubu, they are going to fix this road. I am telling you that one. They are going to fix this road. So all we need to do now is to make it motorable for our people to be enjoying the road within the period before they will come and put it. So I so much believe in this government. That's what I'm not a politician. I'm also part of the APC is my real family. You understand? So it's my real family and I've been with them forever. I only just follow my brother to go and do whatever we did the other time. But that has come and gone. And in this world, the politics there because the politics made me to lose a lot of friends. You understand? Prophet is somebody that respects me so much and we respect ourselves. The politics made me